What if the reason you're struggling to stand out as a coach has nothing to do with your talent, not your certifications, your content, or even your pricing? What if the real problem is that you're swimming in the same crowded waters as everyone else? Think about it for a second. Scroll through social media and you'll see thousands of coaches saying almost the exact same thing. I help people transform their lives. I help people reach their goals. I help people unlock their potential. And listen, there's nothing wrong with those messages. But when everyone sounds the same, potential clients stop noticing the difference. It becomes noise. That's where something called blue ocean strategy changes everything. Instead of fighting for attention in an overcrowded market, a red ocean, you create your own space, your own category, your own lane where you're not constantly competing on price, followers, or who posts the most motivational quotes before 8 a.m. And honestly, that's a relief because most coaches don't start their business thinking, you know what sounds fun? Competing with 500 other people offering the same thing. They start because they genuinely want to help people. In this video, we're going to explore how blue ocean strategy can help you stand out in a crowded coaching market without feeling like you have to shout louder, hustle harder, or become someone you're not. We'll talk about how coaches can apply this thinking and the simple mindset shift that can transform your business. This is going to feel like a breath of fresh air. Let's dive in. Once you understand your niche and the audience you're serving, the next step is designing offers that actually fit their lives. People are buying solutions that feel accessible. For example, younger audiences love flexibility and community. They may prefer group coaching, short video lessons, texting support, or interactive digital resources. A career coach for college graduates might create weekly group coaching calls and short, digestible lessons. This audience values engagement over long lectures. Now compare that with midlife professionals. They don't want 12 complicated portals. They want clarity, efficiency, and support that respects their time. A coach for busy executives might succeed with concise intensives and practical action plans. Sometimes innovation is not about adding more, it's about simplifying. Then there's the blue ocean of people who feel excluded, introverts, single parents, or those with ADHD. When you understand the emotional transformation like energy, direction, or safety, your messaging becomes magnetic. Clients buy outcomes emotionally first and logically second. Now, once you have your blue ocean idea, don't turn your business into a science experiment. A successful idea doesn't start with perfection, it starts with curiosity. The goal is to test ideas in real conversations. Your audience will tell you what resonates. Because trends move fast, but emotional needs stay consistent. People will always want confidence, belonging, and relief from stress. Your innovation comes from how you deliver that support. You do not need everyone to love your niche. Clarity creates momentum. When people know exactly who you help, referrals become easier and your specificity spreads. And remember, your niche is not a prison sentence. You have permission to evolve. Sustainable businesses are built where passion, skill, and real-world need intersect. That's your blue ocean. At the end of the day, blue ocean strategy is about courage. The courage to stop copying others and trust your perspective to build a business around real human needs. Nobody else has your exact combination of experiences and insights. Stop trying to be for everyone and start becoming unforgettable to the right people. What group of people do you naturally understand? What challenges have you personally overcome that could become someone else's roadmap? That's where your blue ocean starts. If this video gave you fresh ideas, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for free tools to help find your perfect coaching path.